Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Takeoff was shot dead at age 28. It's a sad day for the hip-hop community as news broke that Migos member Takeoff was shot dead last night. Allegations are that the artist was killed at a bowling alley where he was playing dice with his uncle and bandmate Quavo. Takeoff was pronounced dead at the scene. Tributes have been pouring in across social media from fans and music community members, seeing nearly 2 million tweets. Migos are described by critics as one of the most influential groups of their generation, pioneering a style of rapping in choppy staccato triplets known as Migos flow. The Migos, who split earlier this year, scored several international hits including the chart topper Bad and Bougie, Motorsport, Versace, and Walk It Talk It. Takeoff and Quavo recently formed the duo Unk and Few, and in October released their debut album Only Built for Infinity Links. The duo on Monday dropped their video for the single Messy. Now, still on some sad news, Nigerian-born Afrobeat star Davido is mourning the death of his son. Reports are that Davido's 3-year-old son drowned in a pool at the artist's mansion in Lagos. According to reports, Nigerian police have taken in 8 domestic workers for questioning following the death, and the home's CCTV footage is being reviewed. Davido has not yet commented on his son's death. Now, back home, Savannah yesterday pleaded guilty to death by dangerous driving. The 30-year-old singer entered a plea of guilty for the May 2021 killing when she appeared in the West Belinda Circuit Court where the trial was set to start. Savannah is facing a minimum of 5 years in jail and returns to court November 17 for sentencing. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.